everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Rob and 10 on the General HP40. Rob got it ready to go, tune alignment to Toshiba regulator, and also we got rid of this junk. Got you a nice connector right here on the back running the 10 gauge wire. You'll have a 12-foot cable. That's a upgrade we offer. Show you what we got here. RF power on low, which I doubt whoever used, but here's your 100-watt slug. And as you see right there, we've set it at 5 watts on low, just in case you decide to run like a 6 pill or 8 pill. And there he is at 30 watts on high. Show you average power swing. Low 62 bird, 250 watt slug in peak. Low 140 PEP. Alright, Rob, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.